Luca, we're used to using formulas to put in different pieces of data and then it gives us an answer. What if we could flip that and tell it the answer that we want?
That sounds like it would be useful.
Let me show you the feature called WhatIf Analysis. We're looking at a spreadsheet that calculates a monthly payment. So that's where our formula is. And then notice that there's 3 inputs. You've gotten a loan before. You know that you have to take into account the principal, the interest, and the term in order to get the monthly payment. So normally what we would do is just go to cell B1. And you might say, okay, what if I borrowed $30,000? And then we see what the calculation is. Why don't you try that?
And now I see I'm paying $540 a month.
Right, so we put in different inputs and we wait and see what the output's going to be. Let's flip that. Just hit undo. I want you to click in cell B5. Let's go to the Data tab. We're going to go down to WhatIf Analysis in the Forecast group, and we're going to use the feature called Goal Seek. Go ahead and click on that. And it says Set Cell, which is B5. Now this has to be a formula. If you click in a number cell, if you click in a text cell or a blank cell, you're going to get an error. It has to be a formula. So we're going to set cell to B5, and then we tell it what we want the answer to be. Now in this example, it's going to be how much you'd like to pay for your monthly payment. So what would you like to put in there?
Let's say $350.
All right, go ahead and type that in the to value line. And then we have to change one of the inputs. In this example, we have 3, the principal, the interest, and the term. A moment ago, we checked it out with a different principal, so let's use that one again. So click there where it says by changing cell, and then click in B1. Go ahead and choose OK. So now in your cells, it's telling us that if you want to pay $350 a month, you could only borrow $19,400.
Can I try this again?
Sure, just press OK. Go back to WhatIf Analysis and Goal Seek.
So we have the cell set to B5. For our to value, let's say we want to go with 600. And now let's see what the principal would have to be by clicking on B1 for the by changing cell and hitting OK. And now we have our result, $33,309.
Right, so if you're willing to pay a little bit more in your monthly payment, this tells you exactly how much you can borrow.